Good evening, everyone. My name is Taneti. My register number is URK94AI 1077. So today I'm going to explain the first experiment. Yeah, Introduction to Data Science with Python Programming. So our aim is to write a Python program to demonstrate the basics of dictionary, list, set, tuple, array, and CSV file for data science application. Let's go to the code. So yeah. So first we have done the experiment for list. We have created a variable called sample underscore list. It contains the elements. So we printed the sample list. And second thing is to get the data with length greater than or equal to 2. And also the elements first and last character should be the same. So this is how we do it, and this is the output for it. And the second one is about dictionary exercise. So so this is how we create a dictionary, and we have assigned a variable to get the input for the subjects we need to add, and we have given the variable in the range, and we have taken the code variable for the subjects and name, uh, and we have printed the subjects. This is the output for it. See, first, they ask the program asks us for the subject code, and we give and the name, the code and the name. So this is how it works. This is how it works. And also, um, there's a variable called search code to get the name, like the name that the user wanted. So it searched the with the code, it searched its name. So the code I've given is 123, and the name of the book corresponding to that code is Max, and I've got Max. And for set example, uh, this is how we create a set, an empty set. So we have given a variable to ask the numbers to be added. We've given that in the range, and we have printed it. So this is the output for it. This is the output for it. And to find the maximum value, we have this max function. So we ask a value. No, no, we just we use the function max to get the maximum value, and we got the maximum value as 25. Now to create an empty set and fill with some values by the user input. So now I've created a variable to create an empty set, and we have assigned a variable n to get how many numbers do we need to add for, and we have given that in the loop for loop. And yeah, and another variable has been assigned to get the number, so it adds. We've used this add function, yeah, and we have printed it. And to check if the value is present, we have to ask the user to take we have to get the value from the user, and we have to check if it's there in the set. So this is the output for it. The next is tuple. Uh, yeah, we have created an empty tuple. This is the syntax to create an empty tuple. And we have assigned a variable n to ask the numbers we need to add the tuple. And we have created an empty list for temp underscore list. And we have given the value in the for loop, and we've asked to enter the number, and it's been the numbers has been appended to the empty list, and now we have to convert it into tuple. So this is a syntax for converting a list to a tuple. This is a syntax to convert an empty tuple and a list to a tuple, and we have stored this in the tuple we have been assigned before, the empty tuple. And yeah, we've been storing the sum of the tuple in a variable called total, and we last print the total variable to get the sum. So this is the output for it. And yeah, next exercise is to count the occurrence. So yeah, I have a set of values, and I've put them in a tuple, and I ask the user to give the value, and it checks how many are there, and it prints. This is the output for it.